Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Easy Learning Economics. This is Dr. Caval, PhD in Economics. Today our topic is returns to scale and its calculation. This is part 1 in which we talk about the law of increasing marginal return and causes and what is economies of scale. In this lecture we discuss that by returns to scale. What is law of increasing return? What are those factors which affects the economies of scale? What are the internal factors affecting economies of scale, and what are the external factors affecting economies of scale, and what is increasing return and decreasing cost? And here I would like to suggest my one-off video that would be helpful to understand the returns to scale is law of variable proportion or laws of return, in which we have discussed the increasing, constant and diminishing returns. So this will be also helpful for you to understand the returns to scale. So you must watch the law of variable proportion before to see the law of increasing return or returns to scale. So returns to scale, it means it refers the degree to which output changes as a result of given change in the quantity of all inputs. The graph shows increasing returns to scale, constant returns to scale and diminishing returns to scale. It means when we double the input, we get the output more than double. It means this is the increasing returns to scale. When there is a constant return, it means doubling the input, we get the double the output. It means this is the constant return to scale. And at this point, the decreasing return, it means doubling the input, we get the output less than double the input. It means this is the decreasing returns to scale. So these are all three types of returns to scale: increasing, constant and diminishing return. But here we are concerned with only in this lecture about law of increasing return. In this part we talk about the increasing returns to scale and what are the assumptions for the increasing return to scale. That it is assumed that the total production process from beginning till end remains under the control of one entrepreneur. Increasing returns to scale means if increase in input leads to more than proportionate increase in output, this is called increasing returns to scale. Here you can see that increasing returns to scale, doubling the input, we get the output more than double. If we say that the quantity, it means the output. Output is function of labor and capital, where Q represents the output and F represents the function, L means labor and K indicates capital. So if we say that output is function of labor and capital and labor and capital rises by H, suppose the labor and capital we rise with H and output, that is Q, rises by lambda, then the lambda Q is a function of HL HK. Lambda Q, it means total output, Q is the initial output and lambda Q is the final output. After increasing the input with H, there will be increasing return if lambda is greater than H. It means that total output is greater than total input. So when output increases with greater proportion than input proportion used due to economies of scale. Now the question arises, what is economies of scale? Economies of scale means that advantage or benefits to the firm by producing two products or to produce an other thing by the use of the byproduct during production process. It means the economies of scale arises due to increase in scale of operation of firm, greater division of labor and sophisticated and more specialized use of machines. As a result, that the returns increases. So economies of scale, that here you can see that U-shaped long-run average cost curve for alternative plant size showing economies of large-scale production. Due to the economies of scale, the long-run average cost of the firm decreases. What are those factors affecting economies of scale? These are the internal factors affecting economies of scale. Technical economies are the benefit of the containerization, or that the firm may get discount on bulk purchases, or the managerial economies using specialized staff, that the firm may reduce its long run average cost. The firm may get the loans on lower interest rates, and risk management through the risk bearing economies from diversification. It means that the firm may reduce its risk by investing in different projects. So network economies build network of suppliers and customers. So in this way the firm may reduce its long run average cost. So we can say that these are the internal factors affecting economies of scale, or the efficient use of the resources. That the managerial economies, it means that using the specialized skills labor. Trading economies, that the input becomes cheaper when purchased in bulk quantity. Or financial economies, it means a large firm can negotiate loan or issue shares at favorable terms. Risk bearing economies, the large firms reduce their risk by diversification in products. So these are the internal factors affecting the economies of scale. Or what are the external factors affecting economies of scale? That external economic factors influence the consumer business buying habits and therefore also companies' performance. So what are the microeconomic factors and macroeconomic external factors? So the microeconomic factors are the competitors, demand, market size, supply and number of suppliers, whereas the macroeconomic external factors is unemployment, inflation, interest rate, GDP and exchange rate. So these factors may affect the economic performance. So these are the outside factors beyond the control of particular firm, and are attained by the number of firms due to growth of industry as a whole. So joint research and development activities, development of the specialized labor force, sharing extra risk with each other, like the insurance company reinsure themselves with other companies in order to reduce the risk. This is the external factor of economies of scale. And natural climate is also an external factor affecting economies of scale. So these are the internal and external factors which affects the economies of scale. What is increasing return and decreasing cost? As we know that the law of increasing return is also called as law of decreasing cost. Why we say that the increasing return and decreasing cost go together? Here we can discuss that the increase in return results decrease in long run average cost. So it is said that increasing return and decreasing cost go together. Our law of increasing return is also called the law of decreasing cost. Assume that the cost of one dose of labor and capital is 500. So by applying the one dose of labor and capital, the total production is 100 and marginal production is 100 and marginal cost is 5 rupees. So by applying the second dose of labor and capital, the total cost is 1000 and total production is 225 and marginal production is 125 and marginal cost is 4.444. By applying the third unit of labor and capital, the total production is 375 and marginal production is 150 and marginal cost is 4 rupees. And by applying the fourth unit of labor and capital, the total cost firm incur is 2000 and total production is 550 and marginal production is 175 and marginal cost is 3.633. So it means by increasing the returns, increase in production, that the marginal cost decreases. So we can convert this graph into a table. You can see here marginal production is 100 by employing the first dose of labor and capital. the marginal production is 125 by implying the second dose of labor and capital, and the marginal production by implying the third dose of labor and capital is 150, and by applying the fourth dose of labor and capital, that marginal production is 175 and 200 by applying the fifth dose of the labor and capital. So you can see here that the marginal production increases, marginal cost on the other side decreases. When marginal production is 100, so the marginal cost is 5 rupees. When the marginal production is 125, whereas the marginal cost is 4.44, and as marginal production increases, you can see here that the marginal cost goes down. So it means there is an inverse relationship between marginal production and marginal cost in case of increasing return. So this is the law of increasing return. I hope it would be clear to you that why we call it the law of increasing return as law of decreasing cost. So we have proved it. If you have any query, you may ask in comment box. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you for watching.